Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Don't blow kisses. Can you clap? Can you clap? Claps. Yay! Kaylee! Clap. Kaylee!
Not right now, thank you. First you snack yet.
So your grandma watches. Your grandma's busy on Monday with your mom?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yay! Yay for Kaylee! Hi. Hi.
Mwah!
Mwah!
No, doggy.